Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery drain on your OPPO Reno 15F 5G. First, go to Battery in the settings. Select Battery Usage to see the usage, screen on active and inactive time, and System Apps. You can force stop apps like messages. Go to Power Saving Settings, enable Sleep Standby Optimization, and go to App Battery Management. Select an app and restrict background activity to prevent battery drain. Uninstall bloatware like pre-installed games you didn't download. Hold the app, click on Install, and repeat for every unwanted game. This helps because the software doesn't block you from removing them. You can also uninstall other bloatware like Temu or AliExpress. Next, go to the Play Store and install AccuBattery to check for battery issues. Click Install. It's less than 15 MB, then open the app. The calibration is in progress and will show battery capacity. Once calibration is done, it will detect your device and read the battery design capacity correctly. The only error is for notifications when charging is finished. Allow background activity to fix it. Go to Battery Usage, allow background activity, and the error will be resolved. Now restart the phone by pressing the power button and volume up button at the same time, then swipe up to restart. After the restart, as a last resort, take the phone to an authorized service center. There may be an issue that users can't fix, so it's better to let a professional check or replace the battery. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.